Now we are continuing from the bar dining room area. We're going to go into our bathroom, which has tiled flooring, of course, an old cabinet turned into a sink. On this side we have a little bird cage and a mirror. Hi. And some storage behind here. We turn around and here's a great shower, all tiled with pebble stone in the floor, and here's a little, and the toilet, of course. Now we're going back out. We're going to go into the living room. There's a cozy leather couch with sheepskin on it, a coffee table, and a great gas stove, 42-inch TV, and some more space here, and a deluxe, oh, there was Mary Jo, recliner. Now we're going another little sitting area in front of the doors facing to the backyard. There's a little station, another station with a table, a closet, and over here is the second bedroom with double tall French doors going into this cozy little room with some artwork and a window facing west and a little thing right there.